Hello everyone. Want to save pictures from text messages on Android phone? Here's how to do that. So first of all, let's open up our Messages application, of course. Now tap on your account icon at the top right corner and let's press Message Settings. After that, make sure to open up your RCS chats and make sure to turn them on and wait until they get connected. Usually it's pretty fast, it's got connected. If you don't use RCS chats, unluckily this option won't work. So let's go back to our chats and let's choose a chat and a picture which we want to save. For example, I want to save this cat. So simply tap on it. Now simply tap on the download icon and now this photo was saved to our media. Great. Now let's open up my Photos application, for example, or whenever you store your media, it depends on your phone. For some things, it's just going to be Gallery. For Google Pixel, I'm using Google Pixel, it's just the Google Photos. So depends on your phone. Now press Collections and locate your picture. There it is, Messages, and there is our picture. And basically that's how it works. On some phones you may need to press at the three dots or press share, and here you may press save, and basically easy as that. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.